Someone asked for a setup tour, so yeah, let's do it. To start things off, this is the NTEC 1200. This is my NAS, so it has 6 8TB hard drives. It is water cooled, and it has an 8700K in it, EKWB hardware with ZMT tubing. Here I just keep a stack of tablets and laptops. Whatever the last one is I used, I plug in. Whatever this piece of crap thing is, whatever. I just keep it charged for lols. And new mouse, so I use this trackball mouse for DaVinci Resolve. Absolutely love it, along with the speed editor here. And then the Logitech K860 keyboard, ergonomic for the win. There's a 3090 over there, forgot about that. Wi-Fi 6E router by TP-Link, that's the Deco series, absolutely love it. And then a 10 gigabit switch by back here by QNAP. Ultra wide is excellent for actually doing DaVinci Resolve work. It's a Dell monitor. 4K display. It is all plugged into the 4090. Let me know what anime this is. And then let me know what doll that is up there. Then we have the MSI 4090, like I said. This is the Gaming X Trio right up there. 7950X by AMD. 64 gigs of DDR5 RAM by Kingston Fury. And this is the Thermaltake DistroCase 350p with liquid graphene back there, cooling everything very nicely. Then we have the Logitech X52 Pro HOTAS hands-on throttle and stick, which is about to go and will be replaced by the Thrustmaster HOTAS, the Warthog right here. This thing is badass. And yeah, so see my YouTube channel for this. The monitor here is my main one. This is the 27U by HP Omen, my favorite monitor, period. 4K, 144 Hertz. This one is okay. It's a Dell 60 Hertz 4K monitor. I use this tablet for game glass. Nice little light here for when I'm live streaming. Here's the Logitech monitor, or whatever it's called, camera that I use for that. And the Fifine microphone. Most important thing is the coffee maker, yes. Game glass is very useful for Star Citizen, Elite Dangerous, stuff like that. And this is the For the Win shelf. Whis, I actually met the guy that is the voice actor for Whis, and he's the same one for this anime over here too. And so you got the 4080 by MSI, got a 3090 Swordfish, Lucky by MSI. And what keeps all of this up and running power-wise? Because when the power goes out, you need something like this. This is an APC uninterruptible power supply unit. So I have 2 of these, 1500 VAs. So when the power does go out, because it does, then my internet and everything stays up and running. And I got about 20 minutes to 45 minutes worth of power then. My main headphones have been the Height HD10s. Actually, I really love these. But sometimes I still go back to the Sony XM4s. And that's it for this part of the room.